Vinco Ventures Inc. today, the 16th of February 2022, announced it has completed the previously announced acquisition of AdRizer LLC, a provider of technology solutions that automate the use of artificial intelligence for digital advertising analytics and programmatic media buying, for consideration consisting of $38 million in cash paid at closing and up to 10 million shares of common stock of Vinco Ventures issuable on January 1st, 2024. So ZVV Media Partners LLC, a joint venture of Vinco and Zash Global Media Corporation, assigned their rights to acquire AdRizer to Vinco in connection with the transaction. As a result of the acquisition, AdRizer is now a wholly owned subsidiary of Vinco Ventures. Okay, they are now focused on deploying AdRizer's technology platform to monetize the content creation and streaming capabilities of the Lomotif short-form video app through digital advertising. AdRizer's technology platform Cortex provides real-time analytics for marketing, spend and revenue optimization to deliver streamlined ad campaign creation for advertisers at scale. AdRizer's platform integrates with various traffic partners including Google, MSN, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and others. AdRizer's technology platform for publishers and advertisers assists them in optimizing the return on their digital ad investment. So their plan to build a monetization platform on Lomotif fits in well with this completed acquisition. And their strategy of integrating the AdRizer platform with Lomotif includes integrating the full service content monetization platform of Honeybadger. This is Honeybadger, a subsidiary of Vinco that focuses on brand specific messaging and designing comprehensive digital campaigns from creation to monetization. Okay, so the stock of Vinco Ventures BBIG closed the session of the 16th of February at $3.59, a gain of 1.7%. At some point the gain was as much as 7%, and the volume was above average volume, at 47.3 million shares. I think the average volume for the average daily volume is about 31 million shares, so this is above average. And we have a position in a BBIG, so we can see that right now it is currently still trading, holding up above all of its short and intermediate moving averages on this 1 year chart. And obviously we know it's amongst other things, it is also, it's a short interest that is also attracting market participants, and the prospects of a short squeeze, and indeed the tyde acquisition has also made, and the prospects of getting a tyde dividend. So BBIG stock is likely to hang around. It's going to remain in the news for a long time to come, I believe. At various times it's going to move sideways, decline and all that stuff, but still going to remain very much relevant. As at the 11th of Friday, the 11th of February 2022, the short interest utilization or short utilization of BBIG stock was about 100%, meaning that all the shares that were available to be loaned were borrowed completely as at Friday the 11th of September, but I do not exactly have the current figures right now. So the readout here is saying that it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. Shares have fallen beneath the 200-day moving average, which is rising along with the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index, or ADX, is below 20, indicating that the shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. Yes, it has, but it's also outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for BBIG strongly bullish. The 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for BBIG stock. Today's volume was heavier than usual, trading for 6.960 million shares versus an average of 29.393 million shares per day during the last 12 months. With the unbalanced volume indicators bullish, the slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Yes, buyers are presently more active than sellers, and they are also paying high prices for BBIG stock as well. So momentum is very strong. And as I indicated earlier on, there's come what may in the broader market, I think BBIG has enough interest to keep it going, to keep it relevant. That's the impression I get. And yes, technically it is consolidating. It is moving sideways as a result of this huge spike and run up on the 25th of January at $5.13. This is the sort of heights it was at all the way back in late October 2021. So yes, expected to keep moving sideways, probably close to the end of this month, February 2022. But after that, there's a good chance it may begin to extend further again. But I expect it to continue to move sideways at various times. It may pull back. We can see that it does pull back, providing buying opportunities. Especially like I indicated in the one of the last videos I made concerning the stock. On days where the volume is light, it's usually an indication that it may have cooled off slightly and may be presenting a buying opportunity to load up more. So that has been the case. You can see it is definitely spiking and retracing, moving cyclically. So all of those the opportunities while it is moving sideways and consolidating. So see what you make of BBIG stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.